Get your furry head out of here. Don't have your hairs flying around everywhere.
Yo, you wanna see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.